Sastrika, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Before we jump onto the video, wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year, which is 2026. Now today we're back with another video, and that's on the vision board or my mood board for 2026. Last year, which is 2025, I was very lazy. I didn't do a lot of things that I wanted to do, thinking, ho jayega, kar lenge. But I think what's more important is that you work towards your goals, or you work towards your mood board, or you work towards anything and everything that you want to achieve. होगा नहीं होगा, I think वो बात की बात है. I'm not saying should you not think that मुझे वो उसका फल मिले या उसके benefits मिले. Definitely we all would want to have that, but I think मैंने जो last year सीखा है बहुत सारी struggles के बाद और बहुत सारे failures के बाद, which is that सर झुकाओ और काम करो, keep the work on. Of course, try new methods. You cannot expect doing the same thing and results are going to be very different. You will get the same results. So that was what I've learned from last year, and I'm bringing all of that to 2026. I have created a vision board, which I'll put right here. You will say vision board, mood board, I don't know, however you want to call it, but this is no fancy term for me. It's been about 2 decades that I've been creating that. Most of the time, I am able to fulfill what I want to, but it's never 100%. And I think the idea ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप सब कुछ कर लो, but try करो कि जो आपने अपने vision board पे डाला है और जो आपने मूड बोर्ड पे डाला है, यू आर एबल टू अचीव दैट. लास्ट ईयर तो मैंने विजन बोर्ड भी नहीं बनाया था, सो फॉरगेट अबाउट अचीविंग ऑल ऑफ दैट. एज आई सेड, आई वाज वेरी लेजी. हियर आई एम बैक विद 2026, very energized, very focused, very contentful this year. And last year also, of course, बहुत सारा काम मैंने नहीं भी किया है, but मैंने last year बहुत सारे failures ज़रूर देखे हैं. And I think I've learned from those failures and I'm back here. So yes, without any further ado, let's just jump onto my vision board. So on my vision board, the first and the foremost point that I have, or the picture that I have, is a gym picture with a lot of dumbbells, and that's what my aim this year is, that I want to get back to gymming. My idea is not to build six-pack abs. To have a good body, you really need to do a lot of weightlifting. But this time, I'm very focused that I want to get back to a very great body, and that's what is my mood for this year. Achieving a great body would not come without having great food. Now, when I say great food, it is mostly घर का खाना is what I am looking forward for. Since last 6 to 7 months, I've been very focused on eating ghar ka khana, home cooked food, irrespective of whatever I want to eat. Even if I want to eat butter chicken, I will make it at home. I want to have noodles, I will eat it at home. So I've been doing that from 6 months, and I have seen great results. And without that, I think I will not be able to achieve a great body also. So these two are going to go hand in hand. Even if I'm going out, I make sure that I want to have a very portion control. The next on my list is being minimalist, or buying less things. The most important thing that I want to do is that buy less and focus towards being minimalist. Not hoarding a lot of things, a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, a lot of bags. But this year, I want to bring it down to ground zero and not buy. I want to spend very wisely this year, because I have a plan in mind, which is that I want to travel my dream destination, and that's on my vision board as well. This year I want to travel my dream destination. I will reveal that when I'm actually getting onto it, because I don't know wo hoga ki nahi hoga, but I am not manifesting it, but I will work towards it. And to make sure that that happens, I want to travel that dream destination, and I hope that I will be able to do that. The next on my vision board is to go back to reading books. This year, I want to bring it back. Of course, I have been reading books on and off. कभी ये book पकड़ ली, कभी वो book पकड़ ली, but I have not been very consistent in reading a lot of books. So that's what is on my vision board, that I want to go back on to reading great book. The next thing is going back to journaling. बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने बहुत सारे टाइम से छोड़ रखी हैं and I think journaling for me is not manifesting things. It is mostly that I want to put my thoughts onto that and continue to do and deliver the work that I have written it on my or in my journal. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप बहुत सारे लोगों से नहीं भी बोल पाते हो बट वो आप अपने जर्नल में ज़रूर लिखते हो और अपने जर्नल में ज़रूर बोलते हो. आई हैव been doing it I think since my school times and it has helped me a lot. Not that कि लिखने से कुछ हो जाता है, उसके लिए काम भी बहुत सारा करना पड़ता है. You have to work towards it, but it brings a very clear vision to what you want to do. So yes, I want to bring back journaling, not because I want to manifest things or do anything about it, but just because that I want to pour my heart out. Above all of this, I want to be consistent. That's again on my vision board that all of the things that I have pasted on my vision board or is there as my mood, I want to make sure that I'm consistent in not just only reading books, journaling, to gym, good food, to be minimalist with my dream destination. Seems to be 7. All of that will follow this. So yes, that's where my vision board of 2026 is, and I will keep you all posted every month on how is my vision board going on. Put it on the comment section and make me accountable for it, that whether I am doing all of that or not. And if you have created your vision board or your mood board for year 2026, do not forget to put that down in the comment section. I think we all can learn from each other and this will help me also to grow and add few more visions for my 2026. But yes, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope this will give me motivation and some motivation to you too. Please take care of yourself and let's have a great 2026 this year. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.